Good evening once again. Thank you for joining us. We begin with new video showing how close a man came to being seriously injured in a crash outside a busy Buffalo restaurant. The SUV that hit him had the former president at New Era cap Chris Koch behind the wheel. Tonight, Daniel Parisi is speaking out months after charges were dropped, frustrated by what he calls a lack of accountability here. This is what unfolded on May 7th outside Oliver's on Delaware Avenue in North Buffalo. You can see Parisi run around the front of the vehicle before Chris Koch drives forward there. The crash nearly pins Parisi between the cars. 2 days after this, the Erie County District Attorney charging Koch with 1 count of reckless endangerment. But 4 months later, the criminal case against Koch was dropped. And shortly after that, Koch announcing he was stepping down from his role as president of New Era and away from day-to-day leadership. He remains CEO. With this surveillance video and police body camera footage shining new light on this case, 7 News reporter Kristen Moran sat down with Parisi about his search for accountability.
He tried to hit me with a car.
This new Buffalo police body cam video shows Dan Parisi visibly upset. This video was given to 7 News by Parisi's attorney, Peter Kooshoian.
Relax, man, okay?
I swear to God he's dead. He tried to hit me with his car.
We're going to figure it out. Get in the car.
Parisi says he pulled up to the front of Oliver's on Delaware Avenue after he spotted the vehicles of Chris Koch and his ex-wife. He says he was upset after learning his daughter was nowhere to be found when he went to pick up his son. In this video from May of 2022, Parisi says he pulled up in front of the restaurant and spotted Koch. That's when Parisi says Koch tried to run him over.
I thought I was dead.
Parisi says he broke his hand and injured his back as a result of that impact. This is what Koch told police at the scene.
He pulls up in front of me. I'm pulling out. He cuts me off, smashes into me.
Before he even pulls in the street.
Jumps out and starts saying, "I'll kill you."
It's been nearly a year since this incident. Why do you feel like you need to talk about this now, Dan?
I just am really unhappy with the way that it was treated by the district attorney.
In May, the DA charged Koch with a felony, but those charges were later reduced, then dropped months later by Buffalo City Court Judge Andrew Latempio. Latempio ruled that Parisi went looking for trouble that night, and the events that followed did not arise to proper subject for criminal litigation.
He got treated completely differently because of who he was. I'm just really unhappy with the way that it was handled. I really just, wish I would have got my day in court.
Retired Supreme Court Justice Penny Wolfgang says she assumes the attorneys in this case were preparing to take this case further.
As they did so, talked to witnesses, looked at the proof again, and determined, no, we don't have enough to bring charges in this case.
The office of the Erie County DA says while it opposed the motion to dismiss the charges, the office can no longer comment on this as it is now sealed by operation of law. I did reach out to Koch's attorney, Paul Cambria. He tells me they have nothing more to say and the judge's decision is final. But Parisi says his fight isn't over. His attorney is filing a civil lawsuit against Koch by the end of this month.
It's been very rough. And I'm hanging in there, but it's rough. So,
Kristen Moran, 7 News, Buffalo.